If FACEIT shows your system is missing important Windows security updates, don't worry. This message usually appears because required Windows updates or security components aren't fully installed. Let's fix it step by step. First, check for Windows updates. Open Settings, Windows Update, and click Check for Updates. Install all available updates, including optional and cumulative updates. Restart your PC when prompted. Next, update Windows security components. Open Windows Security, go to Virus and Threat Protection, and make sure Security Intelligence is up to date. Click Check for Updates if needed. Now, make sure required Windows services are running. Press Windows plus R. Type services.msc, and ensure these are running and set to automatic. Windows Update. Windows Installer Background Intelligent Transfer Service, BITS. After that, update your Windows version if you're behind. FACEIT Anti-Cheat may require a newer build of Windows 10/11. Go to Windows Update, Advanced Options, and install feature updates if available. Also, run FACEIT Anti-Cheat as administrator. Right-click the FACEIT Anti-Cheat installer or launcher and choose Run as administrator to avoid permission issues. If the message persists, reinstall FACEIT Anti-Cheat. Uninstall it. Restart your PC. Then download and install the latest version from the official FACEIT site. Finally, restart your PC and launch FACEIT again. In most cases, fully updating Windows and reinstalling FACEIT Anti-Cheat clears this message.
If this tutorial saved you time, like the video, subscribe to LearnBase, and ask your next question below.